All right, so need some carpet here. Gonna have to figure something about this.
Oh, you know what we have? We have a video of when we first moved in.
No way.
Yeah, we do. It's a VHS.
Nice.
And the lawyer said, keep that.
Maybe I get a replacement window.
Yeah, you gotta replace that window. For sure.
All right. This window's okay. Okay, so this room is, drum roll,
Did you do this when I was here?
15. Jonathan was sleeping.
No, I mean, why couldn't you do it when I was living, you know?
Dude, it was packed. It was packed. We could have done it room by room. Nobody mentioned it. 10 by 15.
I didn't even care about it.
10 by 15.
So back in the day, this was an attic.
10 by, it's going to be 15 again.
Is that what you came in just to measure?
Yeah.
Oh.
What's wrong with that? 10 by 15. It's got to be done. Clean the windows. That's solid, that window. That works good. They put in, this is the new outlet for the,
Yeah.
for this, right? When the electrician did the heater, he also put in one of these outlets, either one of these,
that one.
probably that one.
Yeah, that one.
All right, good. And there's been no fuses ever blew since then, right? I mean, if you use
no.
these outlets, nothing ever blows.
No, it was,
They all have their own circuit.
it's been pretty good.
Okay. Anything. It would be nice that I don't have to change these carpets, but okay.
You're gonna have to change. Yeah,
That's all right.
Come on, this
I'm
carpet.
changing it.
30 years old.
No, but that room looks great. I was like,
No,
oh,
but I kept it.
okay. That
over
room
the
looks
years.
great.
But it's 30 years.
Dude, I built this pretty good. All right, so this.
You built this?
Yes.
You made this closet?
This was not the closet. I built this entire thing. It was nothing but rafters.
did
It
you?
was just rafters.
Oh.
All this. It was
You
all.
never told me that.
It was all rafters.
And I tried to keep it, you know.
It looks
I
good.
kept it pretty good.
It looks nice. I mean, what are you going to expect from 20 years? Okay.
I painted it a couple times.
Uh-huh.
I painted that room, definitely, and I painted the other one.
So, yeah, we're going to...
It's not much.
Let me take a look at what these moldings are. That's all right.
You know what I would do?
I'll take whatever's in good shape. I'll take it.
Hey, you know what I would do? I would say
These doors got to
As
be
is.
replaced.
the doors got to be changed, probably. You know, come on, those are cheap cardboard doors.
No, I hear you. I was expecting it anyways. There's no way that you don't have teenage boys and they don't break doors.
No, I-
Chris has had a few of his own. But anyways, we're not picking nits here. Okay, good. The moldings are nice up here.
Yeah, everything's
That's
good.
all good.
Really? To be honest with you.
Let me check. What did I do with that tape measure? Okay, two 12 by 15s and then this.
What are you going to do? Change the carpet?
6 by, yeah.
Oh.
6.
Yeah, you are. Now that I'm reading, you got to put new carpet in? Oh,
Dude, how
yeah,
could
you are?
how could we do that while you're here? It had. If you guys
Yeah, I
move,
know.
if you move, you could come back in 6 months or 3 months. It'll be ready.
You know what? I had some people that really told me that, Matt, you're leaving? And I said, man, I really don't want to, you know, one of my friends, Gary Young, his kids, they live in, they live in West Harrison. He's got like
15. Okay, so 15, 15, and that's 14 to there. That's 14 to there. 19. 15, 15, and 19. Okay.
But he said, I'll tell you what, tell him Lord, I'll give him $3,200 a month, and I'll pay for the year.
Send them over.
That's what I was saying. I was like, "Are you gonna do that? All right."
Send them over, because we're both thinking
I
the
said
same.
3,000, and then he said, "I said as is." Then that was my thing. My thing is as is.
Well, send them over.
You know who else is interested?
No, who?
But downstairs.
Who?
Downstairs. Rick
Yeah.
is. But I don't want you saying anything.
No.
Her daughter.
Yeah.
You know her daughter.
Yes.
You meet her?
No.
Wait, my wife said don't be walking around the house.
Well, I got to take
You
measure.
did that already.
Well, what?
You walked through the house and she didn't give you permission. So she said.
Well, I
she
got to
doesn't
take
want you
these
walking through the
measurements.
house.
I got to take these measurements.
Okay. She was saying, you walked around the house before. And she didn't like that.
Well,
She yelled at me.
what do you mean we're perfectly?
I don't care.
We just went
I
over
don't give a
everything.
shit.
We just went over everything.
Downstairs.
All right. Well, hold on. 11,
Say something?
11 by. And these moldings are okay. The doors are not okay. The door moldings are not okay.
Doors are, shot. 20 years of doors.
11 by.
30 years of doors. I still see John's name written on the door in my room.
Okay, 11 by 12.6. 11 by 12.6. What do I got to do to this closet, if anything? 11 by 12.6. Nothing. Looks like a closet to me. 11 by 12.6. How's this window treating us? 11 by 12.6. It works. Needs to be cleaned up. How's these moldings? New window stool. Windows in the trim are okay. Thank goodness. All right. These trims are okay on the floor. New door in here. New door here. No door here. This is going
There
to
was
get...
never a door there, but I
No.
put this up.
That's all right. How's these moldings? Those moldings are okay. Let's see what we need here.
I just put if you just have that move out. But I guess good for me.
Nobody said a peep about doing it, and I would have said, okay, empty a room for me, and I'll...
I'm happy that you're here right now.
7 by...
Almost out. I wish I wasn't moving though.
Okay, 14. 14 by...
I guess you gotta do it.
I'm listening.
It's working.
14 by 13. 14 by 13.
Closet's empty.
Okay, nice. I just want to see if there's anything I got to fix in
You're
there.
gonna have to do that because that's where the leak was.
Okay,
The roof.
no sweat. I'm glad that I see it and I know about it. That's fine. Some patch in the ceiling. No water's ever come in there since it got fixed, right?
It's been a long time.
Okay, so you'd know if there was, and there'd be mildew and shit in
I
there.
had
It's
photos
fine.
up there that got ruined, but
Okay, so cut this out. This door is going to open in and to the left. This will be built out for like a pantry. Cut this back to, hopefully hopefully this ain't doing anything. This is just there for some silly reason, but if it's supporting something, it'd be nice to open up these because it's hard to get. There's no reason for this to be a doorway either. This is when this was a single family house.
Yeah.
That's why it has all these crazy doorways here.
yeah, but that's the bathroom thing that.
Okay, so these doorways here, maybe I could cut these back. There's crazy shit going on in the ceiling. Why are these moldings there? Eesh.
Nice molding. I have a friend who has a house.
Yeah, but
And
this
he's
is
got the same moldings, and they were like, "Wow, man, it's really great. These moldings are great."
oh yeah, fabulous. They look like they're 190 years old.
Yeah, that's okay.
Okay, new door here.
That door works pretty good.
Moldings out here. Yeah, but no, just heck with it. Flooring out, walls stripped.
The tub, though. Hey, the tub.
Yes,
Whole thing?
I'm listening. Oh, let's see how big this tub is. 4 feet, 4 feet by 29. Well, I'm going to build.
Put a new tub in.
No, I'm going to build a wall here, and strip the walls down and just retile it. Retile all this and the floor. Reset the toy.
What I did was I had the guys come in at one point, and they sprayed that tub with this stuff to
Okay.
make it look, the bathroom over there, to make it look good. So I'll leave you this
Okay, this,
if you don't want to really do a lot.
no, I'm not going to use that. Just throw everything out. Throw it all out.
All right.
And this here, so this here, I've got to figure something out with this. This is a linen closet.
Well,
This whole door thing here is taking up so much space. Okay, see what we can cut. Throw some sawzalls in there. What haven't I measured? I haven't
that's it.
measured.
You're not coming in my room over here, so you could. That's it. You just said you
Okay.
were going upstairs.
Well, I got to measure that and that. I'll guess what your room is. Okay, let's not sweat things.
I'm not sweating you.
Ten feet 6. 10 feet 6 by. Come on, 12 feet. By 12 feet. Nice.
You said you don't need this?
12
Is that
feet by
your
10 feet 6.
tub?
Well, I don't know. Leave it if you want. I mean, what harm could it do?
I mean, that's the stuff for the tub
It's heavy, huh?
to make it look nice.
I'm gonna have the real guy do it. The tub glazing guy.
Okay, that's what one of the guys. That's what the guy did for me to make it look halfway decent.
It did make it look halfway decent. All right, let's see what this laundry room is. Be nice if I didn't have to take apart the laundry room for the. Okay, 8 feet by. Call it 8 feet by 8 feet. 2 pieces of sheetrock. That ceiling's done.
You know.
8 feet by 8 feet. That window's okay.
Yeah, that was okay.
8 feet by
But,
8 feet.
Hey, I know there's going to be one issue
Like what?
because I never really that air conditioner that's in the kitchen.
Yeah.
This closet's good.
I don't even know that I want it as a closet, though.
Huh?
I don't even know that I want it as a closet. It really encloses this area. Maybe that's going to become the new closet. And this is so
you're
crowded.
going to really do it like a renovation?
Yeah.
You're going to remodel, really?
Well,
Should
you
do
know,
it
just
as
some
is,
basic
man.
stuff. Oh,
Get
as
it
is.
To get it off the market. But I never, ever, ever.
Okay, let's see what
Robin
this
said
is.
to me, we never use the air conditioner that's in that window over there. There's an air conditioner in that window that we never, ever, ever, ever turned on or used.
Okay.
It's been here since we moved in, so I think that whole, you might have to do some work on that one.
Is it your air conditioner?
No, it's yours.
Okay. Who cares? That's going to go in the trash. 12 feet. Kitchen is 12 feet by,
Still recording?
yeah, 12 feet by 12 by 11.6. 12 by 11.6.
Hey, look, now that we're recording, remember when this floor was like a tile floor and the whole thing was like,
Yeah, I remember.
remember when you had to come in and get rid of it all? Hey,
Well,
did
with,
you put in this wavy stuff?
I don't know why it got so buckled. Let me ask you this without going in your room. Isn't there 2 closets in there?
Yeah.
Do you think this fridge would fit into where one of those side closets is? Because that's going to be a dining room. This is going to be that's going to be the bedroom, dining room, kitchen, and living room. And the upstairs is the 2 bedrooms. Do you think this would fit in there,
Yep.
taking up the spot of the closet?
Yep. Yep.
So I could ditch one of the closets.
Yep.
I could ditch one of the closets and enclose the back of it.
Oh, that's a good idea.
And have the and
well, if you want to come back in like 2 days or 3 days,
okay. And
that'd be great.
I'm going to
That's a good idea. Why didn't you think of that before? It's like a dining room.
yes. Listen, this has to swap over to there for this to open like that. Because you can't have this opening like this. It'll open like that. That'll be okay. This will go over there.
Wait, but isn't that underneath the staircase? Wait, hold on.
Yeah, but if the stairs is way over here.
No, it's not. It's not what you think it is.
Look. No, look. That landing is already all way over there. Watch.
All right, let's see. Hold on. I got nothing in here anyway. Might as well take the footprint there.
I seen it already. Ain't gonna surprise me.
There you go. I got nothing in here anyway.
Okay.
Just about out of here. Just don't knock over the thing on the top.
I won't. I see what I need.
Okay.
Don't knock it over.
Yeah, it's on
Dude,
the
it's
edge.
just gonna. Yeah, I'll say.
It's on the edge.
Okay, let's see how deep this thing is. It's pretty deep, this closet, then. Okay, so I need 2 closets. There we go. Look at that storage. Uh-huh.
It's about done. That one's empty.
Okay. Uh-huh.
But if you could pull it open because that's all empty bags.
Oh, I got it. I got it.
All right, so now you got a good look at the house.
I wonder what this is doing. Wonder what this is doing.
Just pull it open.
No.
You can pull that door open if you want.
Okay, why not? Uh-huh. There's definitely room for the fridge there. No doubt. Okay.
You're gonna make this into a dining room? Oh man.
This is the dining room.
Why didn't we have that?
Well, you know what?
That's okay.
That's the dining room. I wonder if there's room for it to be a doorway in there to tie the two together underneath. Okay, well, we'll see what happens.
All right, so you saw enough?
Yes.
So I won't see you till Valentine's Day now?
Yeah, I'll send you a Valentine's text.
Hey, I'm gonna be printing out my Valentine's decorations.
Oh, I need to measure the stairs. I need to measure the stairs. Oh, whatever. I don't need to measure that now.
I mean, you were good?
Wait, hold on. Let me just finish this for a second, then I'll come talk again. Wait. Cut this out. This is gone. No more of this railing here. This will be where you hang your coats and things. All right, so 4, 5, 6. 6 by 5 plus the stairs. 6 by 5 plus the stairs. What's the condition of these stairs walls? Huh. 6 by 5 plus the stairs. Can't change everything. And this door's got to get changed too. This door got to get changed too. What size door is this? That's a good question. 32-inch? Yeah, 32-inch door. That's a 30-inch door. All right, a 30-inch door. 30-inch door. 30-inch door, and that's not going to have a door anymore. Or maybe it will, but I'm not worried about that door.
All right, so I was,
Maybe we could open this up to get this out of the way, these stupid moldings and things.
I was gonna do
Maybe a
this.
laundry room door for an office.
I was going to do this.